This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. In addition to this great offering, take note of the many added conveniences of the features on this great automobile. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.